between tree roots, utilities. That trench is right at this point, you're looking at about 6 feet deep. This yard was like a bowl. So to get the water out of here, we're running a gutter system and a French drain system, and we're discharging it with our dual wall 6-inch pipe. We have it all taped together with our tile tape. All right, it's like a giant slinky. It's nice to work with. We love this stuff. So these two systems, what are they capable of? This gentleman will be able to move, believe it or not, this gentleman's going to be able to move 1,100 gallons per minute if these were flowing at max rate. His system will never see that, but that would be max rate for this system, 1,100 gallons per minute. That's two 6-inch dual wall discharges. If you're looking for this service in Rochester Hills, Michigan, give us a call. If you want to learn more about yard dewatering, subscribe.